All right, since it's horse racing season and we have a triple crown of racing, we're making the triple crown of drinks. You got the Kentucky Derby, which is the mint julep. You have the Preakness, which is the black-eyed Susan. You have the Belmont, which is the Belmont Jewel. So we're making all three of them. The Kentucky Derby mint julep has 2.5 ounces of bourbon and an ounce of simple syrup. The black-eyed Susan is a half a cup of lemonade, a half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of pineapple juice, 1 shot of rum, 1 shot of vodka, and a half a shot of Cointreau or any orange liqueur. And the Belmont Jewel is 2 ounces of lemonade, 1.5 ounces of bourbon, and about 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. So we're gonna mix these up, show you the triple crown of drinks, and then we're gonna taste them. So Tim's gonna shake here. And you gotta shake these hard because we're gonna put a mint leaf in here, a couple of them, and we need a little bit of minty flavor. All right, and you wanna pour this over crushed ice. It's best with crushed ice. All right.
Fresh, you get stale.
Yeah. Black-eyed Susan.
What do you tell a girl with 2 black eyes?
Nothing. You told her twice already. Just kidding. All right.
That's pretty.
There you go. And we're gonna garnish with nothing other than the Luxardo cherries because they're the best. All right, next drink.
As long as it's not looking.
Have some left.
Very good. I don't like pineapple juice.
We get our own. We don't have to sneak it like Tim did.
Ooh. All right, we got the peanut gallery over here taste testing. Maybe too much. Mom's about to fall off her chair.
Yeah.
Why are we making 3 of them?
You know why?
Because we won the trifecta.
We did. We just bet on the Belmont, won the trifecta. So we're celebrating with some drinks.
Hurry up.
So hopefully the Belmont Jewel's the best because we just won on the Belmont.
$1.50.
One on the Derby too.
$1.58.
Oh, this one, if you check my video, this is the prettiest of all the drinks. There's nothing left
Go
over.
ahead and milk that one.
But you'll get to try it in a minute. And of course, we still are garnishing with the Luxardo cherry. So check that out. Take a look at those drinks. This is a trifecta of drinks right here. So you got the mint julep, the black-eyed Susan, and the Belmont Jewel. We're about to taste them.
Cheers.
He's got to say,
Oh, that's
there's
right.
one thing left to do,
All right.
and that's taste it.
Are we recording?
Yep.
All right. And as always,
Mom. Meatloaf, Mom. Meatloaf.
Hello.
Ma, the meatloaf. All right. So there is only one thing left to do, and that's taste these drinks. Now, I have a couple straws. If you want to taste them, you know, like the bartenders do this to see if they did it right, or we could just drink out of the cup.
I'm drinking out of the cup.
All right.
We're like family.
We're like family, so. That's pretty good.
Flour in your nose.
It's a little minty, a little bourbony, with just a little bit of sweet.
I like a little green on my teeth.
You do? It's like right there. And the black-eyed Susan. It's pretty good, but it's very pineapple-y.
Well, I hate pineapple, but it's good.
Dad, you tasting these? You probably taste
Yeah.
that. Oh, you already got one.
Yeah, already got one.
Have 2.
Not gonna let you have that. Here, try that
Here
one.
you go, bluesy white trash. Too pineapple for me though.
That's a sweet drink, yeah.
More
That
lemonade.
is a sweet drink.
More lemonade.
All right, the Belmont Jewel. It looked like it was a little more full than this when I walked away.
I wouldn't know anything
Yeah.
about that.
Well, somebody's been tapping into it.
I'm not ratting her out.
Peanut gallery.
Yeah.
I'm not ratting her out.
That's pretty good. But you definitely can taste the pomegranate in there, so it makes it a little tart. I don't know. I think my favorite.
Pomegranate.
Did you taste that one?
No, I did not.
Taste it. Oh, that's right. You're chomping at the bit
Yeah.
right here.
You won't get a urinary tract infection. Oh, that's cranberry juice. Never mind.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Cheers.
I think the winner, to
Yeah.
me, is the mint julep.
Yep.
You know,
What do you like?
Came in third, first,
You like
came
this?
in last. Yes.
First,
pomegranate.
Yeah.
second, last for you?
Pomegranate.
See, I would go first, second, third for me.
No.
What do you think?
I go first, second, third, just like
Just like they are?
Yeah.
Well, we all like different drinks.
On to calamari.
The good news is, that sounds to me like you're drinking that. You like that one first?
I already got that.
All right, so I'll drink this one, and you.
Your mother liked that.
I'm
one.
gonna have to fight your mom. She took half the damn drink.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Cheers.
thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Run, horsies, run! Hey, we won the trifecta, dude.
Why such a long face?
Huh. You had me at, like,
Hello.
not even hello. Thanks.
Ma, meatloaf.
Ma, the meatloaf!
What meatloaf?